Bonjour les élèves. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Ça va très bien, merci. Good morning, students. How are you today? I know you are fine. Thank you. Can you sit down? All right. Today, we are going to have a nice lesson. I promise to bring you creative writing. Creative writing is about how to write. Let me quickly show you the page. Go to page 98 of your book. Page 98 of your book. You have creative writing there. Creative writing. What does it mean? Here we are going to describe the following thing. We are going to describe it. Décris l'objet suivant oralement. Oralement, répondre aux questions suivantes et colorer l'objet. We have an image here and we have questions here. The instruction says that describe the following image. Answer the questions that follow. So we are going to have a look at the image and then we answer the question. That's why I say creative writing. There's no passage here. We are going to create how to answer the question. And by starting from KG2 this way, as you move to primary 6, you should be able to write a complete essay. You know that. So that's the structure we put in place with What is School of Language so that our kids can start with French and move on gradually so that in their upper classes, they'll be able to excel. So have time with us. Looking at the object or the image on your screen or in the book, you know what it is. What is it, students? Great, it's a table. It's a table. What do you use to make table? And when you look at the table, how many legs do you see? Those are the questions we are simply asking you to answer. So when you are able to do that, you know that, in fact, you understand. Okay, so let's quickly go to the first question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? We are asking you, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What is this? What are you saying? C'est une table. C'est une table. Can you repeat? C'est une table. It is a table. It is a table. That's great. Let's go to the second question. De quoi est-elle faite? De quoi est-elle faite? What do you use to make table? What do you use to make table? What do you use to make table? Elle est faite de, you say what? Wood. So in French, wood means bois. Elle est faite de bois. You see, bois here ends in S. And the S does not sound. Please, don't say bois. Bois. No, the S does not sound. Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Pied is leg. So they are asking you, how many legs does it have? How many legs? You are telling me 4 legs, you can see. So 4 means, what does 4 mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means 4. So it has 4 legs, 4 pieds. There's it. It has 4 pieds, 4 legs. That's the answer to the question. Now, let's read the questions and the answers. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Can you say? Qu'est-ce que c'est? And you reply, c'est une table. So if I ask you this, qu'est-ce que c'est? You say, c'est un livre. Can you say that? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Let's go. C'est un livre. Again, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. Now they're asking you, elle est faite de quoi? What do you use to make table? You say, elle est faite de bois. Elle est faite de bois. Please do not say bois because the S does not sound. Third one, and last, combien de pieds a-t-elle? How many legs does it have? How many legs does it have? It has 4 legs. Elle a 4 pieds. Elle a quatre pieds. Kindly take your book and start writing. Thank you. All right, let's go to the next activity. Let's go to the next activity. Look on your screen, it's the same instruction, another image and questions. They are the same questions because we are doing creative writing. Creative writing. They are the same question, but the image is different. So we are doing two for you. And at home or in your class, you can also try and practice it with different items. That's why we say creative writing. So this one is, what do you see on the screen? A chair, right? A chair, right? So they're asking you in French, qu'est-ce que c'est? That's the question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What should be your answer? Remember the previous lesson, the previous activity? We say, c'est une chaise. C'est une chaise. Again, c'est une chaise. Don't say c'est une chair. No, or chairs. No. We say chairs. We learn the phonics with this one. Gives you. We learn this one. We say the sound building, word building. We learn this one in one of the lessons where we said adding two consonants will give a different sound, and it was with say ash. And we provided several examples like chaussure, chant, chasse, chanteur, so they are okay. So it says c'est une chaise, c'est une chaise. So when we see a word that has CH, pronounce it and you add the rest. De quoi est-elle faite? De quoi est-elle faite? What is it made of? What is it made of? Elle est faite de bois. De bois. It's the same thing. Elle est faite de bois. It is made up of wood. Wood. Number 3, which is the last. Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Combien de pieds a-t-elle? How many legs does it have? How many legs does it have? Elle a, it has 4 legs. So how do you say 4 in French? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has, elle a 4 pieds. Elle a 4 pieds. Elle a 4 pieds. You understand? Let's go and read the questions and the answers. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Looking at the image. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une chaise. C'est une chaise. De quoi est-elle faite? De quoi est-elle faite? Elle est faite de bois. Elle est faite de bois. Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Combien de pieds a-t-elle? Elle a 4 pieds. Elle a 4 pieds. Elle a 4 pieds. Quickly take your pencil. Go to page 99. 99. How do you say 99? 99. Go to page 99 and start writing. Okay? All right. You have just 1 minute to write this. It's so simple. We are making progress because we don't do only one activity. We do more than one so that you understand better. So after this one, you can practice it on your own with your siblings, with your mother, with your parents, with your class teacher. You can practice it. Qu'est-ce que c'est? You show the item. Qu'est-ce que c'est? De quoi est-il fait? Or de quoi est-elle faite? Là, combien, ainsi de suite, and so on and so forth. By practicing, become perfect. You more than Mr. What? So, okay. All right. On this note, I would like to say a very big thank you for watching or for being part of this class. Be reminded that these lessons is brought to you by Mr. Watts, Director, Wat East School of Languages from Studio B of Wat East School of Languages, and proudly sponsored and powered by Dr. Clement Appa, Department of Linguistics, University of Ghana, with the support of Mrs. Wendy Dionster-Bastin, Deputy Director General, Dionster International School, Accra. Thank you. Au revoir. Merci. Bye-bye.